everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to open a new pack of Pokemon.
Master Serangan Beruntun.
Yep. But before we open, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button so we can get some luck.
And
on the pack.
I will have to open with scissors.
You know we never opened this one yet, so we're
Okay,
gonna show you.
you can open and give me the pack. I will open.
Guys,
Scissors.
I gotta go open this pack really hard.
This is a new set from Pokemon trading card game Indonesian. The first is like this.
Amazing.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
one pack full.
Okay, you can choose one and I will open with my sister.
This is so cool.
Yeah. Just put it in and put one. Give it to me.
See what is on the pack. Let me show you longer by the way.
I will open first.
Mr. Mom. Bell Star. Energy Safar. I will get it. Let's see what do we got on the meow. Wait, you know this card is
Serangan Beruntun.
there's also this
Okay, you can
here.
yeah, okay. You can do any put in here and I will.
Oh,
Yes, I have to open this scissor.
look here. This is a lot.
Yeah, and put here.
And
Okay, kipas. Okay. Sorry.
sorry for the camera. Everybody's so sorry.
Okay, what next?
Why does the name ugly on this?
Okay, what next?
Keep more.
Okay,
There's the name Keep. Good.
okay.
Mr. Ryan.
Mr. Rhyme, yes. What is that? Cereal?
Good.
Okay, still no GS.
Oh, I got him.
Okay,
Remote. Here.
okay,
Mienfo.
okay.
Then close. After this,
And still the sleeve.
Pachirisu.
Okay,
But I'm not gonna get this one. Yeah, I don't know.
okay. What you got?
We got
Okay, put in the sleeve first.
okay, here. It's this called sleeve. So
What the name of the Pokemon? Can you put in the camera after the sleeve?
Urshifu Saragami.
Okay. Careful.
Where's the
Put in here. I want. Okay. Okay, so we got the first. It's Urshifu Serangan beruntun fish.
Oh, we got one again.
Okay.
Yuri Cobra. Snake.
Snake.
Bell Strap again. Kuragi. I don't know how to say it.
Purugly.
Okay.
Purugly.
Frogly. And ugly. Here it is, energy. And we got this.
Wow, another.
Let's go put in the sleeve.
What is that?
I just want to
Okay.
make it more neat.
Yeah, it's okay. You can put sleeve first.
Hey, hold up.
Okay.
Two cards.
VMAX
They're ready.
Basic and VMAX. Okay, good job.
What the? I already get one here. Already get one. You won't.
Okay.
I already get one in this already. Pachirisu.
Pachirichu. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, next.
Throw down.
Okay.
Two jammer. I will show the gift. One.
Okay, it's
Surprise, yeah.
another GX. Wow, your hand is very like got hand perfect. Next VMAX. Okay. What is it? You can open the next pack.
Oh, so it's gonna put the
So there is no waste time. Okay.
No, we're not getting this one.
Okay.
Onyx, the rock
Okay.
of snake.
Okay.
Cherubi, the cherry.
Okay.
Where is the start?
Okay. What next?
Gofalan.
Okay.
Luxio.
Okay.
And with this man holding a rock.
Okay. What next?
What does that mean? I think it's rock.
Okay. What next?
I don't even think that's okay. We got one card, but this line is shiny. Silver. Yeah. All I need is that is shiny.
Yeah.
That's
Okay, you put in here.
Blip. Made again.
Mermaid. Okay.
Select. Where is this? Just look at the line.
Okay.
Here it is.
I'm sorry.
Sorry again.
I'm sorry.
Again, second time.
Okay, okay.
We didn't do that. Where do we put this again? It's better if I'm with your phone, sir. Here's the card.
Yeah. Stelix. So sorry, I want to make an explanation. In this pack, there is a 5 card, but different from the before set that in one pack it's always have one foil, but this new pack there is a random, so one pack it's not always one foil. Okay.
Alright, this is the card.
Okay.
I'm just gonna tell. I don't know which is what I do. Because they're more heavier like this. Nope, horsey.
Okay.
I don't know how to do it. But it's in like this. Here it is. What is this? Where did you learn all these texts?
Gulungan. Okay. What next?
That's new. What is this? Couch?
Yeah.
I like this card the most. So good.
Mian Xiao.
Ow. Oh. Frillish. The octopus.
Okay.
This is the another Pokemon.
Nggak kelihatan. There's no
There is a cock.
ini DD.
There is
Okay, what next?
Weeping bell. Weeping bell.
Okay.
This is a weeping bell. Double blue.
Yeah.
Falling. Falling. What's
Yeah.
the name? Wait. This Sleeper the
Okay.
is the real world of rock. Ball toy.
Okay.
Why is it like a toy? Ponyard. This helmet is so sharp. Chantis Kalo. Next pack.
Okay, so far we just got the 3 GX.
Timbut.
Okay, timbul. Shings,
Oh, Horsey.
Orsi, Paling,
With S. Sidra.
Sidra,
Wow. That. Oh my. Let me see this one second. There's 3 R's. With the thunder so there is one. This short one is blue. Here it is.
okay, Bishop.
Ribbon bell.
Ribbon bell again, okay.
Relish.
For free list, okay.
Pas ombak.
Okay, kipas ombak.
You know, by the glass. We got this.
Okay, give me the sleeve.
Can I?
Okay, the next coughing night fee.
Here.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, I think we have
4
look. Wait, Yerin. Coughing night basic, and we have VMAX. Also full and also full VMAX. Okay. Next.
Or next. Both are lines. Why is it so fat?
Boverland, okay.
Cherny vine.
Cherny fine, okay.
Onyx.
Onyx.
Kingdra. Ooh, Kingdra.
Kingdra, okay.
It's the name King.
It's a foil, okay. 3 foil so far.
There's King.
Yeah. So far 3 foil.
All copies. Crowd down. Town yard. Cherubi. Cherry again. Gulungan again. Play doh.
We still don't know in one box how many GX what we
I
got.
think one pack. I think there's five. Indiri.
Indiri, okay.
Sis Lipede. You know, Lipede. And the last is with S. Lipedes. Liped.
Artillery foil, okay. What next?
Here's the operation. Beauty bell.
Okay.
Like,
Still 4 pack and there is still no GX. I don't know what.
I think there's
How many GX in this set?
I think there's
Still.
like 20 packs. I think there is 5 here. Cobra. I already got one in here. Corpish. What is it? I forgot the name. Bola leopard.
Wow, there's still no GX. There is still 1 GX Empoleon Awa. This is
I
my
think there's 5.
this is my favorite.
Wait, your favorite Pokemon?
Yes, because Pimplet is so very cute.
I just want to tell you guys that comment. What is your favorite Pokemon too?
Okay.
Again. Someone please. Dorsey. And it's Five. Alright, we got 2 packs.
Okay, 2 packs. I don't know. Maybe there is still 1 less GX. I don't know. Let's see.
It is.
In this pack.
Maybe because we already got 20 packs and then we got 5. Why there's no upgrade? Upgrade this card. Why is he using
This-
lipstick?
You see the fish, it's very always, almost in always in this all set.
This pet can walk in the water.
Okay, this is another foil, looks like in Serangan beruntun. Yes, I think.
Jellyfin.
Okay.
I'm
This is the last pack.
gonna open this package.
Okay, you guess
One
the
from-
Erin, you guess is there jacks or not? I guess is there is. So I'm sure this set is 6
I-
jacks.
I
Okay,
said
let's see.
no.
Okay.
Yep, I'm right. There is no BS.
Okay, so in this new set there is
5
jacks.
Carnivine. You know Carnivine? There's a name Carnival. Relish from the underwater. Nara. Do you ever see this card?
No, this is new.
The new card.
Okay, let's I'm resume or what we got. This is Empoleron, Free, Coffee Night, Free and Max Coffee Night, Ursufu, Free and the Max and
There's a
our
lot.
foil. It's Luxray, Octillery, Kingdra, Tapu Bulu and Stelix. Okay.
I forgot that name. I forgot.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. There is another pack to be opened.
See you on the next
See you
video.
on the next video. Bye.
Bye.